Hi guys, welcome back once again. So guys, this time I saw this opportunity from IBM, okay? So IBM has it's launching has launched this free certification. So the topic is the course is going to be on Python for data science, okay? So if you are a student who's pursuing any of the degree related to computer science, right? BCA, BTech, right? MTech or anything, right? Like this. Or if you are a non-computer science student, but you are interested in computer science and you have learned the coding languages, then also you can do this course, okay? Because we know this is a very hot, topic in the industry right now, right? And most of the person, are doing this and you have a lots of job in this also, correct? So, let's see in detail, okay? So this is an 18 hours course, okay? Level is beginner only. Skills you will learn is about data science and Python, and the course code is there, okay? So, okay, they will teach you Python also. So if you are new, you can directly come and, you can do it if you want to start your coding journey, right? So the first one is Python Basic, which is module one. The second one is Python Data Structure. The third is Python Programming Fundamentals, right? Then working with data in Python, working with NumPy, arrays, and simple APIs, and then general information, right? So guys, this is very very recommended to all the students. You are going to get a free certificate by IBM, okay? And IBM is a very big giant in the tech industry, right? So once you complete this, you are going to get a certificate from IBM, and you have to enroll it in this website. Can you see log in to enroll, right? You have to log in, make an account over here and start doing this. So it is an 18 hours, okay, course, not much, not very much long. So it's highly recommended for everyone. If you are new to coding or if you want to start your journey in coding, do all these type of certification, add it in your resume, and make your resume valued in the industry, right? So this is a fun one course which is Python for data science. Similarly, there's another course with introduction with prompt engineering, right? So guys, prompt engineering, we know that right now this generative AI, chat GPT and all those stuff is very hot in the market, right? So this is, one of the best course which I can see here right now. So the, guys, for certificate is chargeable this course, okay? But you can at least learn it, okay? If you don't, if you want to, learn this, at least learn it, right? You know how to write a prompt, right? And you should know how to, make a good use of chat GPT, right? So whole world is using. So you should be very smart enough to take all these help which is already available, right? Now, there's one more thing, SQL and relational databases, okay? So guys, we know that database is one of the very, which database administrator and all these kind of jobs are very very much, available in the market, right? And if you are someone who loves to play with data or who likes to know about databases and those things, you should definitely do this. It is 3 hours program, again, beginner level databases and SQL, right? So SQL and relational databases, relational model, and then data definition language and data manipulation language, advanced SQL, and working with multiple tables, right? So highly recommended. You will again get, certificate here. It's free of cost, right? So log in to enroll here. So guys, these are the three courses which you should definitely do by IBM, which are offered by IBM. Okay, very highly recommended for everyone out there. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my video, new to my channel, please do consider like, these videos and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends, family, whom you think, is uh whom you think, whom you think they are need for these things, right? So I will be, very much motivated if you click on like button or, if you subscribe it, because daily these type of one video I'm posting in my channel just to help your people, right? So I post all these three links in a comment section, in a description box, okay? If you have any issues, anything, you can always put in a comment section. Thank you.